Glow, and today is our YouTube Day, and we will be speaking about this movement that we have towards wellness from the inside out. So what is wellness from the inside out? Wellness from the inside out is taking care of yourself so that your out reflects how good you are inside. And in this case, nutrition and hydration are essential. I do not know how to emphasize it enough, but they are essential. Nutrition, giving the skin that it needs in terms of its vitamin A's, its omega-3s. Hydration, water, water, water. As you know, the water has a lot of impact. It cleans, detox. It also makes sure the nutrients reach where they're meant to be, boosting circulation. So it's very, very important to stay hydrated. As always, for more information, if you'd like to speak with us, call us, MedAestheticsMiami, 305-356-7402. And please don't forget our promises. More than beauty. Have a great YouTube day.